Hello, welcome to the Paper Snob. This is Tara. Today I am going to be sharing my counterfeit kit, which will also be my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit for the month of April. This month, Master Forger Julene is in charge of the blog over at Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog, and she chose a kit from Citrus Twist for us to counterfeit from our stash. Here's some photos of it. There's not a whole lot of photos, so that is what I was working from, and the paper really reminded me of Maggie Holmes, and so that is kind of what I went with. I dug through my stash and also dug through my 100 pattern paper pile for this month to pull in papers for this kit. So let's talk about the papers that I have in my kit. There's a page of cut apart, so I pulled in this cut apart sheet from Flourish. It's Maggie Holmes Flourish. I didn't pull it in for that side. That side's kind of ugly. That's my cut apart sheet. One of the papers had flowers, outlined flowers in black and white. And this piece, and this pink piece, and this piece, and I think this piece. Well, these three pieces came out of my 100 pattern paper pile. And this piece was just in my Maggie Holmes section. So I just kind of went through the patterns and tried to get close. So here's my black and white floral. There was a pink pattern, and I've got two pink patterns in here. I've got a dark and a light here. Both of those are from Maggie Holmes. This one does not have a name on it, which means this is an older paper, 2014. There's no collection name for that one. This one is from Bloom. This one's from Bloom, and this one's from Bloom. As I said, those three papers came from my 100 pattern paper pile. This is from, I believe, Flourish. And it's from the paper pad, so I just tore it out. It's only one-sided, and it is as close a piece to the wood grain in the kit that I had, so I pulled that. This one is also from, this one's from Heritage. There was a paper that had some blue flowers with a white background. This has a pink background, which is okay, so I just kind of pulled that in. This is a text piece from Chasing Dreams. I believe this one is from Heritage. It's a single-sided, and this one is from Flourish, which is as close as I could get to the outline leafy print that was in the original kit. For the embellishments, they had some what looked like chipboard flare, so I pulled in Pink Fresh Studios Chrysanthemum Flare. This is Maggie Holmes Round Trip Ephemera Pack. Oops, there's a flower stuck in here. Don't know what that's cut from, but there's some ephemera here. Some Maggie Holmes thickers. This might be from Round Trip as well. I pulled in Simple Stories title pieces. It's from the same collection, the Simple Vintage Essentials color palette. And I pulled in the rub-ons as well from that collection. More chrysanthemum. This is just a little mixed, and I'll put the photo up here so that you can see them all spread out. Just some little mixed wordy bits that have actually been in counterfeit kits before, and they just got thrown in this envelope. Some fussy cut flowers from some hip kit papers, just to add some floral bits in here, and then a paper pad from Round Trip. I put this in here so that I would have something for the Mad About Mini Paper Pads hop in April. I don't know how much of this I will use, but it's just in there. And then two sets of alphas. This is just a dark blue foam on this side and a white foam the side. These may be Paige Evans, I'm not positive. I like that size, so I put those in here. And these came from Hip Kit from one of their winter collections. My kit is relatively small this month. I have a lot more paper, I think, to play with than I did last month, but I think that I can use this up easily enough, so that is the kit that I chose to go with this month. And anyway, it's like I said, it's not a big kit, it's just a kit that I put together for the month of April, and that way I can participate in some of the challenges that Julene poses for us on the Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog, and I have something to dip into all month long to create layouts. So I hope you guys have a wonderful April, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.